I don't know if you guys are Hispanic, if you guys know Thalia, like this is giving me Thalia vibes for sure. Marimar. Ow! Apenita soy. I definitely feel like Marimar in this one. Let this be the real. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I got another wig review. This is in the style Lysha and the What Lace collection by Sensational. They sent it to me in the color Flamboyage Blonde. This unit is beautiful. It is the 13x6 lace front wig with the baby hairs and the pre-plucked hairline. This unit is beautiful, you guys. I am so in love. If you guys are interested on the install, then go ahead and keep watching. I will leave this in chapters, so again, go ahead and skip forward to your favorite chapter. Don't forget to hit the like button, you guys. It does help me so much and it supports my channel tremendously. Thank you so much. Love you guys. I found love. For real love, let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. So you guys, this is my finished look for Miss Lysha, and I got her in the color again Flamboyage Blonde. So So shout out to Sensational for sending me this beautiful unit. It is a 13 by 6, so you can basically part her or do like some type of updo up here, part her anywhere you like on this top area. She is so cute. It has like a decent amount of volume. I did just run my fingers through it to like fluff her off, because when it comes out of the package, it does come like more shiny and the curls are more tight. So I just ran my fingers through her and got her to like open up. This does remind me a lot of the Isis wig by the Stylist that I reviewed a month or a couple of weeks ago. But I don't know which one is better. Like, this one has like a bigger curl. The other one was a little bit tighter. I don't know if you guys are Hispanic, if you guys know Thalia. Like, this is giving me Thalia vibes for sure. Marimar. Ow! Astenita soy. I definitely feel like Marimar in this one. But you guys, this unit is so beautiful. Perfect for the fall weather, because it is a lot of hair. So I feel like in hotter weather, this unit probably will get hot. It isn't tangly a lot compared to like other units this length. You guys, this unit is so cute, and I love the color that they sent me this. I feel like this is like the perfect color for me. Like, I love these like light brown with the blonde tones in it. Like, it's just so cute. It's very long. It doesn't say how long she is, but yeah, she is part of the Cloud 9 collection. So it is a new wig. She just came out a week or two ago. So guys, go get her. Let me see the colors. Ooh, they have auburn. I bet you that looks nice. These are some of the colors it comes in. And yeah, you guys should run to get this one. She is definitely a cute fall wig. And I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the description box. Again, Sensational sent me this unit, so I don't know how much she goes for, but I will leave the price somewhere here in the screen. And try to leave some links to her in the description box. So yeah, you guys, tell me what you guys think about this one. Please don't forget to hit the like button, because it really does help my channel grow. And yeah, thanks guys, bye.
I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft.